thank you. And now I'm gonna start painting the wall. This is gonna take a while, and don't judge my painting technique because I'm not gonna tape anything. I'm literally just gonna put a sheet down on the floor and like hope for the best. That's not good. Also, I ended up going for this deluxe paint instead because it said that it's going to be quick drying, and ideally I want it to dry by tonight. I didn't actually check to see when it's... oh, it says leave 2 to 4 hours before coats, but that's fine because I'm not going to do another coat because it's only grey. Like, it'll be fine with one. So look at the state of this room at the moment. Oh my goodness. But you do not want to see behind the camera. I just know this is going to be painful for some of you to watch. Hello, it is the next day. Yeah, everything's a state. I don't really know why I thought I could do this in one day because clearly this is going to take me like a week. Basically what I've done so far is I moved everything from the old art studio into what used to be my bedroom and moved like my bed and stuff into what is now my new bedroom, which used to be the art studio. So now I've got to move everything around in here, and then I need to find places for everything. I honestly thought that when I moved everything from the old art studio into here it was going to look like really spacious because the old art studio is so much smaller. But I realised I just had tucked away a lot of things. So now it's kind of overwhelming and I'm kind of regretting everything, but it'll be fine. And yeah, there is an embarrassing amount of things in here, so don't judge me. It will look good in the end. I feel like this video is going to be really broken up and maybe like slightly confusing. So far I have moved most of the things out of the art studio. I've got my new easel. I've also got some drawers which are coming today. They're supposedly coming today. I ordered them yesterday, and then last night, like 5 hours later, they said they've been dispatched and they're out for delivery. So hopefully that's true and they come today because that would be nice. The other day I went to the National Gallery and I got some prints for the art room. I'm going to show you what I got. So I got this print by Suzanne. Love it. And I got a print of Lady Jane Grey. I also got this print by Ferdinand Hodler. I'm going to be putting it into this frame on the wall. And I got this little tiny Van Gogh painting. So cute. like 12 AM going into Friday. So it's basically been a whole week of me just having the studio kind of like up in the air, and I haven't painted since this time last week, so I really need to get it done. I will show you the current state of the studio, but it's kind of in a place where I can start painting again. I've sorted out the desks. There's just a lot of big paintings which really need sorting out in the corner, and in this box I've got some drawers, so I'm going to put those together. That's the end of me redoing the studio. It is Friday and that took me 8 days, which is way longer than I thought it was going to take me. I don't know why in the beginning I really thought that I was going to get it done in like 1 or 2 days. There's still things that I probably would do in here, like there's a bit of clutter that I want to get rid of, but at the end of the day it's an art studio and it's always going to be messy because it's a workspace, and yeah, it's never going to be perfect. I just need to remember that. But yeah, if you want to know where anything's from, just ask me in the comments or check out my Amazon storefront because I linked some of the exact things that I got, like the rug or the easel. And yeah, I hope that you have a lovely day. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!